the question. Any brother have any questions? Yes, brother.
Assalamualaikum. Brother, what is your opinion on multi-level or chain marketing?
Brother asked the question, what is my opinion on multi-level marketing, Amway, etc. In any business, if any of the Sharia law is not broken, it is halal, in short. If it is against the Islamic Sharia, it's haram. This is the basic guideline. Now, in multi-level marketing, many a times they cheat, they break the Sharia, therefore it's haram. If you know for multi-level marketing which does not cheat and following all the Sharia, that's allowed. But many of the multi-level marketing which I have studied, it does break the Sharia. Not all. And there are fatwas given in America that Amway per se, which is very famous. Amway, many of the Islamic scholars in America said it is haram. So first we have to identify how does it work. Is it fooling the people? Is it cheating? Is it gambling? All this, and then give the fatwa. So I'm not saying all multi-level marketing is haram. I'm not saying that at all. Depending on what are the pros and cons, what way do they give promises, what way do they calculate the business, what is involved, what is the product of the business. Based on all these things,